Well, I never thought that I would see this. We fall back in your.
I just got a blessing. One of the hottest hairstylists in the business. Man, I gotta give you a shout out. Don't go nowhere. All right. I got a t-shirt. I got a cat daddy.
Never get a chance to see this. Sundress all around. Dancing in the place. Hand in your face. Can't wait for you to get a taste. And the trail ride and the rodeo too. You won't recognize country girls coming through. They all around the world. 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 Brown skin, light skin, dark skin. All the pretty women with different body types. So many women in plain sight. Let me tell y'all what I like. I like them girls and them cowgirls. I like them girls in them daisy dukes. I like them girls in the cowgirl high. Down in the country.
All the queens at night are here.
I saw something that I like. Yeah, never knew. I like them girls in them cowgirls. I like them girls in them daisy dukes. I like them girls in the cowgirl high. Down in the country.
Oh, Stephen Parker.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a country girl?
Yeah.
Well, he knows. Country girls are dangerous.
I like me a country girl.
They know how to shoot pistols. You go, girl. Hey! I see you.
Light skin, dark skin, all the pretty women with different body types.